Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily use the power of AI painting to create holiday avatars from your selfies using Lensa app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Lensa app. Then right here tap at Magic Avatars button, and on that screen you are able to check all your previously generated avatars pack. I got here 2 packs at least for now, and on that screen just tap at Create New Avatars. Then hit on Continue the examples of good selfies and of bad selfies. So once that is clear, hit at Select 10 to 20 selfies. That opens up your camera roll, and from here you can select 10 to 20 selfies. I didn't bother too much, so I just took about, let me see, 13 selfies just standing in my room, and now I can just hit on Add to upload them to the app. It takes some time, and after that I'm able to select my gender. You can select female, male or other. I'll select male. On that step you have to choose the amount of avatars that you want to generate. You can select between 50 avatars, 5 variations of 10 styles. Then you can choose 100 avatars and 200 avatars. I will choose that option because here we got twice as many avatars and it doesn't cost much more. So once you checkmarked any of that options, you can hit Add Purchase, and that moves you to App Store. You have to double click to confirm the operation, and it also uses your Face ID to pay money for that service. Now it says you are all set, and you can hit at OK to move on to the next step. On that step, the pictures is being uploaded to Lensa servers. It took some time, and after that it says that it's getting started. It will take about 20 minutes, and you can right now close the app because all the process keeps going on Lensa web servers. Once the generating process is finished, you will get a notification about that. So for now you can hop out Lensa app and then just wait for a notification. And after time has passed, you can open up Lensa app again, hit Add Magic Avatars. As you can see, I got one more pack here. There are actually 220 avatars. That's 20 avatars. That's actually holiday pack. And then you can open it up to check the result. I really like that photo. I really like that picture. I'll set it to all of my avatars right after I finish shooting that video, cause I really like it. That's awesome. And then you can right here go through all of generated photos. That there are a lot of amazing photos. That's holiday spirit pack, and there are a lot of different other packs like Rockstar. That's one I like too, and you can see all that photos. There are a lot of them. That's a mystical pack are good as well. I also like it, and you can now scroll down to see all that different avatars. You can save all these pictures to your camera roll at once to be able to save them. You can hit right here at Save All Avatars to save them to camera roll. And also you can always find that packs on Lensa app. Just hit on Lensa at Magic Avatars, and right here you can easily find all of them. If you want to save just one single photo, you can just open up that photo, then hit on Save to Photos, and now you can select the quality of that image. You can save it in 4K resolution if you have a paid Lensa subscription, or if you have a basic subscription, you can save it just in standard resolution. I have the paid one, so I can hit and save in 4K resolution. Then after a couple of seconds, I can hop out Lensa, open up Photos, and then at Recents I can easily find the photo that I have just saved. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my other Lensa tutorials videos. You can easily find them at Lensa tutorials playlist in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.